Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the device and account ready. Connect your iPhone to the Mac, unlock it, and tap Trust when asked. This authorizes app deployment. In Xcode, go to Preferences Accounts and sign into the Apple ID you'll use for provisioning. Free or paid accounts both work, but paid removes limits. Once done, make sure developer mode is enabled on the iPhone in Settings so the device accepts builds from Xcode. This prevents pairing errors later. Now configure the project for your device. Open the Target's General tab and set a unique bundle identifier. This avoids conflicts with App Store apps. Next, choose your team under Signing and Capabilities. Automatic signing is simplest, as Xcode will generate certificates and profiles for you. If you need specific entitlements or distribution types, create and assign a provisioning profile manually. Once set, build to validate signing. Xcode will prompt to fix issues or request permission to manage certificates, so allow it if necessary. Finally, pick your connected iPhone from the device menu and hit Run. Xcode compiles, signs, and installs the app. Watch the progress in the top bar. If installation fails, read the error. Most problems relate to signing, mismatched bundle ID, or an untrusted device. Make sure you accepted trust prompts and developer mode is active. If issues persist, reboot iPhone and Mac, replug the cable, and restart Xcode. This simple reset resolves many intermittent pairing and provisioning glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.